Let's get ready to rumble. I feel obnoxious saying that, but who will win? Bitcoin, Ethereum, another altcoin? Everyone and their mom knows about Bitcoin and Ethereum these days, and don't get me started on all the talk I hear about Dogecoin. But which one is better? Is Bitcoin better than Ethereum just because its price per coin is so much higher than Ethereum's? Or is Ethereum going to beat out Bitcoin? Today we'll cover this and more. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Scarlett, otherwise Miss Money, and I provide the latest updates and analysis of stocks, crypto, and trades. I'm a former elementary math teacher, and now I'm using my knowledge to help you guys out. I'm all about crypto, and today we're going to see who really wins, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Which should you choose? And before we move forward, it would mean so much to me if you guys liked and subscribed to the channel. And remember to sign up for push notifications to help with the YouTube algorithm as I grow my channel. My goal is to help you all out, so it would really mean the world. Let's get to it. So many things connect us as a world. The World Wide Web. Think about it. The internet provides communication for everyone. Social media for connecting and interacting with friends. We have movies, music, and entertainment which we can all enjoy. But there's one thing that keeps us all divided, and that's currency. The euro, peso, the dollar. We don't yet normalize the idea of one currency to connect us all. The USD, euro, peso, these are examples of fiat money, which is government-issued currency that is not backed by a physical commodity such as gold or silver, but rather by the government that issued it. So I think you know where I'm going with this. Cryptocurrency could be the next big form of currency that everyone uses around the globe. Obviously, there's no guarantee because it's the future, and while I kind of dabble in astrology a bit, I'm definitely no psychic. I think this is also where I should tell you I'm not a financial advisor, so remember to do your own research and do what's best for you. But hey, now that's out of the way. You may think about crypto and only hear about people making big cash money. The friend who bought crypto back when it was only $1,000 a coin and now made $300,000 profit. And maybe that was you. Congrats if it was. But crypto is so much more than that. Yes, you can make money, and we'll talk a bit about that because obviously I want you guys to make some serious profits. And you can seriously get rich with crypto. But we'll also talk about the value of owning crypto and not selling. Bitcoin, the mother of all crypto. I'm pretty sure if Bitcoin had a gender, it would be female, but let's not get controversial here. Bitcoin was released back in 2009 as a decentralized digital currency. So that means there's no central bank behind it or a single administrator. It's meant for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a middleman. Transactions are put on a public ledger called a blockchain. So there's transparency. And Bitcoins are created as a reward for a process called mining. What makes the whole Bitcoin origin story really cool, and if no one's written the movie script yet, get on it. So, the identity of the Bitcoin founder is something of a mystery. His name is Satoshi Nakamoto. I might have butchered that. And he literally disappeared. It's super insane, but very interesting nonetheless. I'm not going to get through all prices early in its stages, but Bitcoin went for under $10 a coin for a long time, from 2009 to 2011. Don't get the FOMO though. Try to resist. Because just a couple days after Valentine's Day, we all know what happened. Bitcoin definitely got some action, hitting 50K per coin. That's insane. Just 1 year ago, if you bought Bitcoin for under 10K a coin, you would seriously be rich right now. But as a Bitcoin holder myself, I do recommend holding some if you can for the future, where hopefully if crypto is normalized as a regular currency around the world, you can have it for exchanges. But make some profits along the way and hold on to some if you can. Bitcoin is the queen of all crypto. She will only ever have 21 million coins. No more can be mined. And unlike the US dollar, you cannot just print more crypto. Also, with the blockchain technology, what's really cool with both Bitcoin and Ethereum is they can't be counterfeited. Another positive about crypto, in my opinion, in addition to the transparency of the blockchain technology, no one can hide certain purchases. It's transparent, it's out there, and there's a legit record of it. With Bitcoin's cap on supply, she is literally digital gold, except no one has to go digging up for Bitcoin. It does take energy to mine Bitcoin, but it doesn't involve going into the dirt or whatever people do to retrieve gold. Now, some people say if Bitcoin is gold, that would make Ethereum silver. Yes and no on that one. So we have Bitcoin on one corner, battling it out with a tight supply of 21 million coins. Bitcoin comes in hot with a hitting recent record of 50K per coin. and now sits around that 47 to 50 per coin, and she's volatile, so she's going up and down in that range like crazy. But what about Ethereum in the other corner? Will Ethereum beat out that hefty price tag? We shall see. Honestly, it's really hard to compare Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum isn't even in the same weight class as Bitcoin, if this were a real fight, I mean. So Ethereum has something Bitcoin doesn't, and that's something called smart contract functionality. I know, that sounds really fancy, but let's break it down. Perhaps you've heard about this smart contract stuff, but what does this actually mean? A smart contract is a program that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. It's a collection of code and data. Basically, this allows transactions to be executed without a middleman. Ethereum is its own server in a sense, and ETH is the currency. People can go into a transparent agreement with each other. Value can be transferred in the smart contract itself. Take the real estate example. When you go to buy a house, there are way too many people involved. You have the real estate agent for both the buyer and the seller, and those agents talk to their clients, then talk to each other, then negotiate, then back to their clients, back to the agents, and finally make an agreement. With Ethereum, if you want to buy a house, you would just do it with the seller directly through the smart contract. No middleman. However, unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum does not have a cap on how many coins can be mined, but its function is different. You can also earn interest on your ETH through Ethereum, or at least that's another idea through this system. Ethereum was created by a Russian genius, I'm totally going to butcher this name too, but Vitalik Buterin. His goal was to create a blockchain platform to act as a world computer for decentralized applications. He was only 19 when he created Ethereum, and now is just 27 years old. ETH recently shattered records by hitting above 1,800 a coin just after Valentine's Day, showing that it followed a pattern with Bitcoin. It did drop 20% recently in that mid-1700 mark, but, we'll see. So as you can see, the whole goal of Bitcoin and Ethereum is to hold for the long run. Personally, I'm going to buy both, take some profits at peaks, but never sell it all. I want to always hold for the future. I'm very bullish about both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I prefer them over all other coins. Their prices have correlated with one another in spikes and dips. You might assume ETH already loses since it's an unlimited supply, but the creation of new coins is very tightly controlled to keep inflation from ruining its value. And it has the smart contract technology Bitcoin doesn't. Bitcoin has a market cap of around $647 billion, while Ethereum has a market cap of around $122 billion. My answer may surprise you, but when it comes to who wins this battle, they both do. And they actually aren't competition in my mind, but companions in that sense. If you can, I would buy both Ethereum and Bitcoin and prioritize them over any other altcoins. Take profits periodically as I do, but remember to keep and hold some in your wallet for the future. My price prediction on the optimistic side is 100K a coin for Bitcoin by the end of 2021 and early 2022. For Ethereum, 10K per coin. Both coins have the potential to make you some serious money. On the humble side, I see Bitcoin reaching 70K at the end of the year and Ethereum at 4K. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Scarlett from Miss Money, and catch me next time as we all get successful together.